Spain has the infamous tomato throwing war, Thailand has an exciting water war, and Rembang in Indonesia has an amazing rice war. Tawuran Nasi is how locals express gratitude for an abundant harvest. Place a blackberry onto a cocktail stick. Chill a coupe and put to one side. Collect a blender cup. To this, add tamarind concentrate, which adds natural acidity. Coco Lopez is best known for being one of the key ingredients in a delicious pina colada. Guava is a tropical fruit that thrives in the Indonesian climate. Bramble gin liqueur is bursting with rich, plump Scottish blackberries. Indonesian arrack surmises the country's distilled spirits. Much like vodka, it can be made from pretty much anything, including rice, molasses, or palm nectar. Add cubed ice. Blend for 30 seconds or until smooth. Dip taste. Discard ice from the coupe. Pour. Position the garnish on top of the cocktail. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.